straight punch, yes? Slow, 1, 2, grab and attack, and then drop, hold, put the elbow in your chest, drop down, okay? Leave. You put pressure on the back of the hand and then the elbow here, okay? So with our move, again, 1, 2, 3. Now you drop the hand. This one is here grabbed already. You bring it around. You grab your own hand here. Elbow in the chest. You put pressure here. Now you move it down. You still apply pressure against your chest. With the other hand. Slow. 1, 2, strike. Here. Now down. Oh, you two doing the same thing, yes? 1, 2 here. You grab, strike inside the hand. Then grab. Okay? Don't do this. If you do this, he can pull his arm back, he can block your elbow here. Push. That's it. And it's not working for you anymore. Okay? Okay? 1, 2. Strike and grab. Now this hand drops, looking for the elbow, yeah? Side, here. Now you grab, now you move this way, down. Okay? Put pressure against your chest or tummy if you want, like this, doesn't matter. Because you're pressing the back of the hand. Okay? So don't go like a snake around. Slow. 1, 2, strike here. And as you move this hand inside, you press with this one, that way. You grab your own hand, don't hold it like this, you just hook your own hand. Put it here, and now you carry on this way. And that's it. Okay?